Did you know we spend most of our time inside buildings? We think a lot about the quality of the air we breathe when we're outside, and try to avoid breathing things like smog, wildfire smoke, and other kinds of air pollution. But we often overlook the air quality when we're inside. Many illnesses and diseases, such as the flu and COVID-19, are spread through indoor air. Dust and pollen can also build up, triggering allergies and asthma attacks. Even simple things like pet odor and your roommate's old socks can affect indoor air quality. So what can we do about it? A lot of people use air fresheners, perfumes, and essential oils to help mask bad smells. But that's not cleaning anything, and in some cases can add to the problem. You don't clear the air by adding stuff to it. The only way to truly improve indoor air quality is to remove the bad stuff, like germs and dust, from the air. And the best way to do that is by using a filter. You probably heard of HEPA air purifiers. These work well, but depending on the size, they may not cover much of your home, and regular filter replacement can make them more expensive than intended. Larger commercial-grade air purifiers would do the trick, but they typically cost north of $300. What if I told you there's an option that's both 2 times better than commercial air purifiers and costs around $100? Meet the Corsi-Rosenthal Box. Designed by UC Davis Dean of Engineering Richard Corsi and air filter specialist Jim Rosenthal, it is an effective do-it-yourself air purifier that uses simple, off-the-shelf parts. Here's how to make one of your own. You'll need 1 box fan, 4 2-inch MERV 13 filters, a cardboard box, duct tape, and scissors. Here we're really just trying to tape things together, so you don't really need any building experience. Step 1. Making the filter box. Point the air filter arrows inwards, making sure the pleats are vertical. Step 2. Double seal the edges with duct tape. Step 3. Take your cardboard box and cut out a floor for your filter box. Step 4. Double seal the edges with duct tape again. Step 5. Place the box fan on top of the filter so that the air would blow outwards, and seal the fan to the box with duct tape. Step 6. Want to get over 20% more airflow? Make a fan shroud by cutting a circle out of the remaining cardboard and place it on top of the fan. Seal the sides again and you're finished. The Corsi-Rosenthal Box provides an affordable DIY solution that's both highly effective and easy to build. By improving the air in our homes, schools, and workplaces, we can reduce the spread of airborne illnesses, alleviate allergies, and create a healthier environment for ourselves and our loved ones. The tools to breathe cleaner air are in your hands, literally, so why not give it a try? Cleaner air is just a box and some duct tape away.